Hi everybody, it's really important that you keep your digital folders and documents organized this year, especially with NCEA. So here's how to do that. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're in a Google school or a Microsoft school, the same philosophies apply to this. I'm working in Google, so I'll be showing you using that system. Now your teachers asked you to create a doc and share it with them probably. You will automatically, I bet, have gone to Google Docs or your Microsoft Word. Instead, always get into the habit of going to your drive. Think of the drive as the mothership. This is where everything is saved. It doesn't matter if you have created a slide or a Word doc, it's all here. But you've got to keep it organized. Now if you go to Shared with Me, you'll see that hopefully your English teacher has shared a folder with you. That means he or she owns that folder, but you have been invited to add things to it. So that's where you'll be keeping all of your English work. Now, eventually your drive will be full of stuff. So you want to make these folders that you use all the time easy to find. So if you right click on here, you can change the color, any color you like. That makes it easier to find, but more importantly, right click again, add to starred. That way, whenever you're in your drive and if you have tons and tons of stuff listed here, you can just go straight to starred and find your important folders. Now you've got to make your folders within this English folder, and you're going to do one for each achievement standard or unit standards if you're doing those. So I've just opened up my English folder. I'm going to go to New Folder, and I'm going to put in 1.1 written text because we're doing that this year. And I'm going to do another folder, 1.2 visual text. Hopefully your teacher has written them all on the board so that you can just copy them down. 1.3 unfamiliar. And your internals this year might be, say, 1.4 creative writing, and 1.5 formal writing, and we'll do one more, 1.11 close viewing. Right, that'll do. You can see that they've all got little people in them. That means that they are automatically shared with your teacher. Now, when you need to create a document for your teacher, probably you will automatically go to Docs, as I said before. Don't do that, because this is what happens. You end up with Untitled Doc, Untitled Doc, Untitled Doc all through your drive. Okay, so if I go to my drive, remember that's the mothership that holds everything. I look in my drive and there they all are there. So instead, get in the habit of creating the document that you need in the folder that it should be in. So my teacher has asked me to do some creative writing. I'm clicking on that folder, and then from here I'm creating a new Google Doc. Create and share. It's being shared with my teachers straight away. Really, really important now that you give it a title. So I always like my students to give it the achievement standard name. So 1.4 creative writing. And then I like them to put their name in it. You can give it the title of the document if you like, whatever your teacher or you prefer. Alright, and then I start my typing. And there it is, all changes are saved. Now, if I find that I've accidentally put that in the wrong folder, I can just click on here, click on Organize, and I can move it to, I'm going to Shared Starred because my folder is in Starred. It's in English, and perhaps I put that in, it should have been in the visual text folder, so I can move that there. Done. Okay, so that's a really easy way to keep all of your work organized. Please make sure you do it. I hope this helps you have a wonderful, successful year. All the best.